When you're looking for exceptional service, quality, and value for your high-mix, low to medium volume electronics projects, Ascentron is your solution. Ascentron is an electronics manufacturing services company built from the ground up by industry veterans to meet the highest quality and customer service standards. Our quality management system is ISO 9001 certified for our instrumentation and industrial customers. We are AS 9100 certified for our aviation and military customers. And we are ISO 13485 compliant for our medical customers.
Hello, my name is David Hollingsworth, and I'd like to thank you for taking the time to learn more about Ascentron. We believe that our people are what set us apart. We're an employee-owned company, so when you visit the factory, everyone you meet will be an owner. And everyone you meet will be focused on delivering outstanding quality and service to you. We focus on communication and teamwork every day. We start each day with self-directed meetings in each department to cover the goals and commitments for that day and to review the results from the previous day. We also have 2 daily status meetings to make sure that each department and all our managers are aware of our production goals and commitments for that day and for the week ahead. Our entire management team and all of our employee owners here at Ascentron take great pride in going the extra mile to help you succeed.
We welcome the opportunity to take you on a tour and will let Mike Moynihan, our operations manager, lead you on the tour.
Welcome to the Ascentron Tour. My name is Mike Moynihan. I'm the operations manager here at Ascentron. Behind me I have Kaylin and I have Tanya, who are IPC certified inspectors. Their daily tasks are to confirm that the material received is correct to the required specification, is in good quality condition, and the required paperwork is present. We have now navigated our way to the materials stockroom. Components coming from the incoming quality control department will be placed on a shelf for the next operation. Next operation is counting components, placing them in bags, and affixing labels to the bags. Then they are placed in their proper location by customer. We also manage moisture-sensitive components. Our moisture-sensitive components, we affix a label to them. These are opened at the incoming quality assurance department. We open it, we look at the HIT card, the desiccant, to make sure that they are correct and there is no moisture inside of the bag. Should we find that there is moisture and the HIT card is now in the pink zone, we will take that component and bake it. If it's not, then we will reseal the bag, affix a label to it that allows us control of the part inside. That tells us who opened it, what date it was opened, and how long it was open. We do that throughout the entire manufacturing process. We are now in the feeder setup area of the surface mount process, where we store all our stencils that are designed by our engineering department, who determine the proper apertures to use and the thickness of that stencil to apply the solder paste to the bare board. During the setup process, if we come across components that do not have a marking on the component, as a fail-safe, we test that component to validate its value prior to setting it up on the feeder. We use FES carts, which are feeder exchange systems, for quick turnovers and setups in our manufacturing process. We have a full complement of feeders that accommodate all our machines throughout the factory. I'm now in the surface department, standing in front of one of 5 surface mount lines that we have here at Ascentron. We have all like platforms that are all assembly on equipment, which makes us very flexible to move one product from one line to another. We also have, in this particular complement for the line, we have an Equus screen printer, fully automated, doing 2D inspection, going into a chip shooter, placing 14,000 parts per hour, then into the Emerald, placing the fine pitch components and BGAs that may come out of an LCS, which is a waffle tray holder, sending those fine pitch devices into the Emerald for placement. All products that are set up on our equipment are bought off by the quality department prior to running. We do this to make sure that we're not placing any components incorrectly and that we're using the right documentation, right revision to build the product. This is our inline aqueous cleaner by Technical Devices 318 2012 vintage. This runs off of DI water or introduced chemistry if that's required by the customer. We also have an ionic contamination tester at the end of the process if we need to validate cleanliness on the circuit board or to validate that the aqueous cleaner is clean. This is our aqueous batch cleaner. that we use in a cleaning process to remove flux from our circuit boards. We use DI controlled water going into the batch cleaner itself. This is fully programmable, set up dwell time and wash cycles. We use this for low profile components that are difficult to clean under, as well as a backup for our inline aqueous cleaner. This is Ryan, one of our IPC certified quality inspectors. He's using the Mertec AOI automated optical inspection stations. This has 5 camera system, 1 down and 4 on the sides. This is our Nordson Dage Ruby X-ray system. Again, we have Ryan, our certified operator, looking at a handheld computer. We're actually looking at a part-on-part BGA for this ruggedized handheld computer. The Nordson Dage allows us to do a 70-degree oblique view, which allows us to look down the rows of the solder balls, separating the 2 layers, which is critical to really understand if we have voids that are within the IPC requirement. It also has a 0.5 micron resolution and has been a wonderful platform for us. It also allows us to look at other components such as QFNs, PLCs, QFPs, whatever we want to look at, along with looking in internal layers if we have any shorts to see if there's any disconnects from the barrel to the trace itself. This is our plated through hole process for putting axial and radial components into the circuit board. At this stage, the components have already been prepped using our prepping equipment for forming and cutting the leads to achieve the proper lead protrusion through the board. This line is set up station to station, as you can see from the visual aids, which are our assembly instructions, telling the people exactly what components go in what location using color code methods. This is our wave solder process. We have 2 different waves, one for RoHS and one for leaded. The RoHS wave uses a spray flux system as opposed to our leaded uses a foam stone system. Both waves have dancing waves on them to limit the amount of bridging on ICs that are on the bottom side of the circuit board. This is our second operation process. These are components that need to be hand soldered to the circuit board due to the fact that they're either heat sensitive, wash sensitive, or they're on the edges of the board, or it's a minor mechanical assembly. As you can see, they're doing the same process as the plated through hole using visual aids, station to station, building in a lean team. At the end of that process, there's in-process inspection. We focus more on in-process than we do final, drilling any issues back into the process to resolve them immediately. All our assemblers are J-Standard certified. We have an in-house J-Standard certified trainer who trains our employees the J-Standard requirement. We are now in the test department where we offer a wide range of test solutions. We feature state-of-the-art flying probe testing on our SPEA 4020 tester. This is a great solution for complex, low to medium volume assemblies. No expensive fixtures are required, and test programs are developed in-house. With our flying probe tester, we can also get better access to today's densely populated assemblies. We also offer a bed of nails solution. Heath is demonstrating a bed of nails test on one of our checksum testers. We offer full functional testing utilizing customer or Ascentron supplied equipment. We have the ability to design and develop custom testers and fixtures to meet the test requirement. Peter is giving us an example of a functional test. In addition to providing circuit board assembly services, we also provide mechanical assembly and complete product manufacturing services known as box build assembly. We supply box build products to aviation, industrial, instrumentation, medical, and military customers. We also provide logistics services for customers where we will store their finished goods inventory for them and then drop ship their products to their customers. Our mechanical assembly and box build products range from the very simple industrial products to the very complex medical products. We have many years of experience with these box build products and find that more and more customers today are moving in this direction. We provide some processes that others may not, such as conformal coating and potting, hand stack components down to 201 sizes. We place micro spring pins and mixer connectors on some products and specialize in flex circuit assemblies. Over the years, we've developed a reputation for successfully taking on unique and hard-to-manufacture projects.
We hope you've enjoyed this video tour of our factory here in beautiful Southern Oregon. From our location, we support customers located throughout the Western United States. We also support customers located on the East Coast, in Texas, and even customers in Canada and Mexico. We are confident that we can deliver exceptional service and quality for your manufacturing needs. We are also focused on being an efficient and cost-effective solution and providing you the best total value. On behalf of all our employee owners, we would welcome a personal visit and the opportunity to help you succeed.
Ascentron, a customer-driven, quality-committed electronics manufacturing services company for your high-mix, low to medium volume production projects. Please visit our website at ascentron.com or call us at 541-826-2405 or email us at meetus@ascentron.com. We look forward to hearing from you soon.